One more control when editing your videos, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra lets you record in log format for a wider dynamic range. Let me show you how to enable or disable it. First, open Camera app, tap the quick control icon, then tap the settings icon, scroll down the screen, tap Advanced Video option. If you select HEVC as the video format, the log option becomes available. You just need to toggle the switch next to it on or off. Now tap it. Here you can choose Pro Video Mode only. That makes log is available only in Pro Video, and Video and Pro Video mode, which make log is available in both. When you turn log on, a log icon will appear at the top right in the camera preview. Depending on your choices, it shows up in video or Pro Video mode. You can tap the icon before recording to enable or disable log. However, if you turn off log in Advanced Video option, the icon disappears completely. Keep in mind, log videos will look flat and gray at first. That's normal. It's designed this way to capture more color information and detail, giving you flexibility in editing. Once you adjust the colors in gallery or your editing software, the video comes alive. Let's pick Pro Video mode only as the example. This is perfect if you want cinematic footage and plan to color grade it later, like shooting a sunset where you want to bring out both the bright sky and the darker landscape. And that's it. With log recording, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra gives you the kind of editing flexibility that professionals use to make their videos stand out. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.